These are the amazing immediate benefits of taking a spoonful of olive oil every morning on an empty stomach. 1. 30 milliliters of olive oil improves the functioning of the digestive system, stimulates intestinal transit, promotes the absorption of nutrients, reduces gastric acidity. 2. Reinforces its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to alleviate gastritis. 3. Prevents the appearance of cancers related to the digestive system due to its high content of hydroxycortisol. 4. Stimulates the functioning of the gallbladder, reducing the formation of gallstones, and helps dissolve and eliminate stones that have already formed. 5. Helps to stop smoking. Taking 5 drops of olive oil on an empty stomach every morning helps to combat the addictive effects of nicotine. 6. Helps to lose weight as it decreases the appetite and also facilitates the process of transforming food, converting harmful fats into unsaturated fats. 7. Fights the hangover by creating a film in the stomach that makes the alcohol to be absorbed more slowly. After seeing all the benefits that olive oil brings to our health, we realize that it is worth paying a little more attention and buying real olive juice, extra virgin olive oil. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.